Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Last night, Appa watched some YouTube channel, seeing there's one very unique kind of cooking fish stew, 红烧鱼, that I have never tried before. So today I decided to make it myself to see how actually it tastes like. So there is actually one particular ingredient that I never put in my fish stew before, which is this one. This is what they really use. This is dark rice vinegar. Yeah, this is the rice vinegar, dark color ones. I really never tried to put any dark vinegar into my fish stew before. So actually they use so much dark vinegar and they never even mix some water. But today I'm going to mix some water. Okay. Now I have one beautiful piece of snapper fish head here. And then of course I'll be using some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Where you can get it from Shopee, Malaysia or Singapore. I'm going to add a bit of cucumber inside towards the end just to give it a bit of veggie here. And I have some garlic, shallot, ginger, and also spring onion, the white bottom, white portion. And also some spring onion here, the green portion here towards the end. I will be putting 1 big tablespoon of, this is taoju. Okay, you can use the spicy one, this is the non-spicy one. I happen to have some leftover prawn oil yesterday, so I'm going to use it today as well. I think they actually use pork fat. So let's add some, oh, I forgot I actually have prawn oil with me. No need to add vegetable oil. So this is the prawn oil for enhanced flavor. Optional, if you have it, you use it. If you don't have it, don't worry. I think I'll probably add in some vegetable oil as well. And we're going to heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, I'm going to put in the ginger, garlic, shallot, and also a white portion of the spring onion together with the taoju. This itself, when you saute them, it will already be very, very flavorful. Let's saute this for about maybe a minute before we continue. We will come back shortly. I am actually using the salted type of taoju today, yeah? Fermented soya bean. You can find salted type, you can find sweetened type, you can find spicy type. I'm using the salted type today. Up to you which type you prefer to use. Right, so the next thing here is something very special that they add that I never add before, which is dark vinegar. Wow. I don't know how is this going to turn out. Okay, dark vinegar, and I'm going to give it a little bit of Shaoxing wine. A bit of hot water here. And I'm going to turn this into chicken stock. Yes, some of you who follow Appa for some time, you will know I'm going to add in my cooking Appa chicken stock powder. 100% natural, yeah? You can even use this to cook chicken porridge for your baby. Now, and we are going to give it a bit of, little bit of salt, a bit of sugar, some light soya sauce here, and also a bit of dark soya sauce. Ooh, actually it tastes really good now. Very aromatic. Oh, putting dark vinegar is perfectly fine. I only put dark vinegar usually into my tukacho. Smells good. Now, once this is ready, we can actually put in the fish. So the fish is washed and marinated with a little bit of salt and pepper. After that, we will close it and we shall tune it down to medium-low. I will probably add a little bit more hot water here to cover a little bit more on the fish body. And then let it cook and simmer under medium-low heat for approximately 10 to 20 minutes. Seriously, it will take only less than 10 minutes to get cooked, but I will prefer to give it a bit longer time so that the fish can really get all the flavor inside. Those in China sometimes for bigger fish they even cook up to 50 minutes. So yeah, it's up to you really how long you want to cook the fish for. Yeah, no problem. I just opened the lid and added more water here. You can see now the water level is much higher. And another thing to take note on the dark soy sauce, we use the dark soy sauce to create darker color, and you can't put too much. You put too much, it will become bitter. And another thing is, when you edit the dark soy sauce right now, it may seem like maybe 50 or 60% brownie, but towards the end, as it gets cooked further and as it reduces, it will get darker. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to close the lid again. And let it put the fire down to, adjust the fire down to medium low and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Right, so this is simmering after approximately 15 minutes. Approximately only agak. Now I'm going to add in, actually the fish is already cooked, I'm going to add in some cucumber. Let the cucumber to simmer for about a minute or two. I think 2 minutes will be good enough. Then our fish stew is ready. See, it has already reduced by itself. Give it another 2 minutes. Then it is done. I did not mention how much dark rice vinegar I added in just now. I think I added in somewhere around 5-6 tablespoons. Just whatever left in my bottle. And I think if I were to cook this again, I don't mind adding more. No problem at all. Alright, this after another 2 minutes. Oh, our fish stew is basically ready. You can still adjust to taste using some salt and sugar if you like. Yeah, but I already tasted just now. It's really good. Surprisingly good. You should really try it. Sourish, savory, a little bit sweetness. Very nice, and beanie, of course, from the Teochew. Now I'm going to actually serve it into the dishing plate. So here's the beautiful fish. And let's bundle it with all the vinegary sauce. Ooh. I have some chili and also spring onion. Just put on top. And few dashes of white pepper. Done. Ooh, really nice. So I hope you like my very simple video today. Fish stew with vinegar, rice vinegar. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.